Hey guys, welcome back. Today we had a buyer client's second visit before closing to the property they recently bought. It was disheartening for both my client as well as me to see the condition of the house. There was damage here and there, some of the appliances were not working, and the house really looked messy. My clients got anxious and asked me if it means that an additional burden of cost of repairs is coming their way. Well, fortunately, the answer is no. My buyer client doesn't have to pay anything to get these repairs done. Unless stated in the listing itself or the agreement of purchase and sale of the property that the property is sold as is where is, the responsibility of any damages on the property before closing lies with the sellers. This includes repairs for any damage that may occur before the change of ownership. However, once the closing has taken place, the responsibility shifts towards buyer. Depending upon how significant this damage is, the buyer has a few options. I will be talking about these options in my next video, so stay tuned.